Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our online class, English Grammar, third chapter, Adjectives and Degrees of Comparison. Adjective, you must have learned when from second to third, like that, you would have learned it, you must be knowing now. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or pronoun, including its quality, quantity, and a position. His car is new. That is, car is a noun. So before that it is new, is verb, after the verb also new. His car is new. Now kinds of adjectives. How many kinds are there? 10 kinds. That is adjectives of quality. Quality describes size, color, shape of a person or a object. Example, fair, tall. Adjectives of quantity refer to the quantity, that is how much of a thing. Example, some, much. Now, adjectives of number tell how many persons or things are meant. Example, 5, several, like that. Fourth one, demonstrative adjectives point to a person or a thing. Example, this, that, these. Fifth one, interrogative adjectives, that is asking question. Examples, what, whose, which. Sixth one, possessive adjectives show possession or belonging. Example, my, our, your. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Example, Indian, Buddhist. These are Indian proper adjectives. Proper noun, that is proper adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives increase or decrease the effect of the noun they are modifying. Examples are utter, absolute. So they tell no utter failure, absolutely, it's correct, like that. That is, it emphasizes or decreases. Participle adjectives, ninth one. Participle means ing or verbs used as adjectives. Example, a running train. So train is a noun. What it is, a running train. So that is running becomes a adjective because it tells about a train. Flying saucer, saucer, that is a noun. Saucer, that is flying saucer. So flying is a what? It's explaining about a saucer. That's why it is a adjective. Participle adjectives. Nouns of adjectives. Some nouns are used as adjective. Noun itself is becoming adjective. That is diamond ring. So ring is a noun. And diamond is also a noun. So the diamond is telling about a ring. So that's a noun is then used as an adjective here. Stone wall. So wall is a noun. Stone also a noun. So here this noun stone is used as an adjective to wall. Now next one, that is we'll do the exercise and tell. Identify the adjectives and mention their kinds. What is that is an absolute truth. That is it is telling more about a adjective, emphasizing truth, noun. So that is it is a emphasizing adjective. This room has been decorated by my mother. This room has been decorated by my mother. So what is that? Who was decorated? My mother. So my, that is a possessive. My, that is here, if you see, no, that is my. So that is a possessive adjective. Now, his family invited me to the party. So me also what? His family. That is an invited verb. Family noun. No? What family? His family. Whose family? His family. That is a adjective. That is possessing. Possessive adjective. So here, his grandparents are of Indian origin. Here, what is that noun? Grandparents. Whose grandparents? His grandparents. So that is it is a possessive adjective. Give me the beggar some food. So here it's a noun food. What type of food? Some food. So that is a some is a what is it? Adjective that quantity. Adjectives of a quantity. Here we have seen some much adjectives of a quantity. Then 5 passengers got down from the bus. Here noun is passengers. So passengers before is 5. So 5 is telling about the passengers. So what type of it is a number? How many persons? That is a 5 several. So that is adjectives of a number. So that is next one is what question did the interviewer ask? So question is a noun. Before that what has come? What? So that is a interrogative adjective. These walls need whitewashing. So walls a noun. Before walls, what is the these? So this is explaining walls adjective. So that is a these that is demonstrative adjective. Now Jackson was a popular musician. So a musician is a noun. What is it? Popular. So popular is a what is the type of that is a qualifying. So that is qualifying. That is a musician qualifying. That is popular. So that is a adjectives of a quality. Now coming to the position of adjectives. Attributive position. An adjective is placed just before the noun in an attributive position. In such a position, the adjective describes the noun. Now we'll see what is an attributive position. Here, he is an intelligent boy. So boy is noun. So what it is attributing intelligent. Intelligent tells about a boy. So that is attributive adjective. She is a beautiful lady. So lady is that what is describing beautiful. Beautiful is describing lady. So beautiful is attributive position. Then predicative position. An adjective is placed after the linking verb such as be, become, seem, look, appear, and so on in a predicative position. So here, what is this? You look handsome. So handsome is adjective only, but look verb, linking verb. So that's why it is a in objective. That is a predicative position. Predicative position. He is happy. Happy. That is an adjective. He is a verb. It has come before. That is a linking verb. Happy is a predicative position. Now here note, very often when several adjectives are attached to one noun, they are maybe placed after it for emphasis. That is, the prince, fearless and determined, came to the rescue of the princess. So, fearless, who is fearless? The prince is fearless. Who is determined? The prince is determined. So, in that case, the two adjectives are there. So, that's why it is emphasizing whom? The prince. In certain phrases, adjectives always come after the noun. So, hair, this is noun, apparent. This has come after the noun. Then God, Almighty. This also, God is Almighty. Then adjective here. Then coming to the question, that is exercise B. Identify the adjectives of quality and underline when they occupy attribute position and circle them when they occupy predicative position. So now tell me, that is example, you appear horrified. So horrified, what is that horrified? You have to circle them. Then what you have to say? Attribute position you have to circle. Under adjectives, quality underline when they occupy attribute position you have to circle. And when they occupy predicative position. So what is that? When they underline, which one you have to underline? When they are in attribute position, which you have to circle when it is in predicative position. So here you appear horrified. Appear, that is a verb. What is that word has come? Horrified. So then it is a, what position it is a? It is predicative position. So the next one is, second one, after the exhaustive journey, Jay reached home. So what is that? Journey. What is that noun? Journey. Exhaustive journey. So exhaustive journey means, so what is that? Exhaustive journey. So that is telling about what? A journey, exhaustive journey. So it is a attributive position. And here Next one, the window frame was green. So what is that? It has come. Was is linking verb. After that, green has come. So that is, it is a predicative position. So that is predicative. Then the blind man managed to cross the street. Here, man is a noun. What type of man? Blind. So the blind, what is it? It is telling more about man. So that is attributive. Attributive. What is that? Attributive quality. That is in attributive position. Then next one is, and an old man and his wife are our new neighbors. So here noun neighbors. What type of neighbors? They are all new. So that is a new is. So what is that? New is a in a neighbors. It is telling about a noun. So new is attributive, and old man also. Here man also noun. Old, that is also attributive. So old is attributive. New is also attributive. Then the beautiful princess damaged her shoes while dancing. So what is that? Princess. How is she beautiful? So the beautiful word is attributive to princess. And Simi's thin frame became weak due to illness. So what type of frame? Thin. Thin, it's describing frame. Frame is her body. Became weak. So that is a attributive. And what it became? Weak due to illness. So became weak. That after the verb it has come. That's why it's a predicative. The performance of our team was brilliant. So that is was brilliant. After this verb, that is brilliant has come. That's why it is a predicative. Predicative position. Now, how will you form nouns then change into adjective? Formation of adjectives. Adjectives can be formed by adding suffixes to words. Only thing you have to add 2-3 letters to one word and it will become adjective. Now these are all the nouns, these are all suffixes. Now we'll see how we'll make noun boy, adjective boyish, care, adjective careful, gold, adjective golden, dirt, adjective dirty, sense, adjective senseless, play, adjective playful. Suffixes are a group of letters placed at the end of a word that is full. That's like one ish, that is like this ish. Now next, how we will change verb into adjective? Verb cease, that is adjective cease less. Commend, that is commendable. Tire, that is less tireless. So like that, we can change verb into adjective. Now make new adjectives by adding suffixes to the words given below, and you may add full ir, ish, ish, or y, or able. Now hope, what will you write? Hopeful. Fool, that is you can add ish, foolish. Silk, you can add y, silky. Comfort, you can add able, comfortable, isn't it? So like that. Now degrees of a comparison. So degrees of comparison are different forms of adjectives. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. The positive degree is used when that is no comparison is made. Examples: he is a good boy, she is an industrious student. The comparative degree is used when the comparison is between two objects or individuals. Example, she is a better swimmer than him. So comparative are usually followed by than. So when you are getting ER, what should follow? Than should come. The superlative degree is used when more than 2 persons or objects of the same class are compared. Example, he is the best in the class. That is when 2 or more. The best. So EST, ST plus the, it will come together only. Superlative are always preceded by the. Now, let us discuss the comparative degree in detail. The comparative degree, they are formed by adding a ER or more. If the word is a smaller, ER, otherwise it can add more. We add ER to short words and we use more with the longer words. Example, big, it became bigger. Small became smaller. Short became shorter. Great became greater. And comfortable, how will it change? Because the words are big. How will you write? More comfortable, spacious, more spacious, beautiful, more beautiful. When we compare it, when we use comparatives to compare two things, we usually mention both the things, or we may mention one and the other is implied. We often use than after comparatives for clear understanding. He is taller than you, here taller, er plus than. She speaks louder than her partner, here also er and than. Can you run faster, here er. You can speak louder than this, that is er plus than. Could you jump higher, er, because it's a question. Now coming to the D's exercise. The jug on the table is a dash than the one in the cupboard which cannot hold much water. So what is that? Here it is a than is there. What you should use? You should write bigger. The jug on the table is bigger than the one in the cupboard which cannot hold much water. He has not acted in a play earlier. They wanted someone dash than him. So than has come. How will you write? Experience is a bigger word. So what will you write? More experience. He has not acted in a play earlier. They wanted someone more experienced than him. Rita selected a dash pair of shoes because she did not have enough pocket money. So what is that? That a pair of shoes because she did not have enough pocket money. What will you write? That is cheaper. Selected a cheaper pair of shoes because she did not have enough pocket money. The words of the speaker were dashed after the mic was adjusted. So the words of the speaker were, what is that? Clearer. Because this is your comparative degree, comparative form, clearer. So after the mic was adjusted. She could have bought the dash pair of socks which would look good with her dress long. So what is the comparative degree? Longer. She could have bought the longer pair of socks which would look good with her dress. Now next one is a E. Read the following examples and frame sentences with the comparatives. The red bus has 5 passengers, the blue bus has 8 passengers. Then you should use few. The red bus has fewer passengers than the blue bus. The apples are ripe, the guavas are not very ripe. So you should use ripe. The apples are riper than the guavas. Rohan crossed the river in 10 minutes. Ram crossed the river in 20 minutes. Long. So now will you write this? Rohan crossed the river in 10 minutes. That is Ram crossed the river in 20 minutes. So that is longer. So what will you write? Ram took a longer time than Rohan to cross the river. So Ram took a longer time than Rohan to cross the river. Sana's house is near the park and Rani's house is not near the park. So will you write? Sana's house is nearer. Sana's house is nearer to the park than Rani's. The green dress costs 200 rupees. This orange dress costs 300 rupees. So what will you write? The green dress is cheaper than the orange dress. Now next one is, look at these pictures and write sentences using than with the comparative form. The red flower is bigger than the yellow one, bigger. Then Rajan is taller than Summer, so tall. A rabbit. The rabbit is lazier than the tortoise. So then sometimes we use particular words before comparison. Much, a lot, a bit, slightly. Now see how we are using. The 2-bedroom house is much cheaper than a 3-bedroom house. So much cheaper. Then the gold watch was a lot more expensive than the ordinary watch. The cutlets are a bit more spicy than the vegetable rolls. This journey was slightly more tiresome than the previous one. Now, when we compare two things and one is directly related to the other, we use the. So that is, the slower you eat, the better will be your digestion. So this also the, that is when you're comparing. things directly related, but slower and better directly related. The harder you work, the better you will do. So like this, the will come. And the fill in the blanks, the suitable adjectives from the box. Cold, coldest, large, larger, better, bad, closer. In such bad weather, we cannot venture out. November is cold in Delhi, but the coldest month is usually December. Mrs. Sharma's house is larger than that of her neighbor. Treasure Island is a better book than Robinson Crusoe. Mr. Khan has built a large house in the hills. Delhi is certainly closer to Lucknow than Tamil Nadu. Now the superlative degree. We use superlatives when we compare more than two things. Gracie is the most active girl in the class. Neha is the tallest girl in the group. The superlative forms are the most active and the tallest. Now, we usually use the before a superlative form. That is, I told you, the. After the superlative forms, we use of when we refer to a period of time and in with the place. Suppose we will use of when period of time is there. We use in with the places. See, children, you should remember that is say here. Raghu is the poorest man in the village. So that is a place in with the places. Today is the coldest day of the month. So the period of time, that is we are using of. Understood? Now, double forms of the comparative and the superlative of certain adjectives. There are certain adjectives which are forms of comparatives and superlatives as shown below. So late, later, latest. The same thing. This is double form later. This is double T, and this is the last. Old, older, oldest. Here, elder, eldest. Far, farther, farthest. Further, furthest. Here only difference A and here difference U. Now, how will you know the difference? Their usage, late, later, latest. These words refer to when late, that is past degree, later, comparative degree, latest, superlative degree. The train was late, that is past degree. And I had left the stadium, I met him later. So that is a comparative degree. And this is the latest news in the issue, that is a superlative degree. Later, last, they refer to position. This later, latest refer to time, and the later double T and the last they refer to the position. The designer brought two proposals. The client approved the later proposal, and here LATTR, that is a position. I was the last person to reach the field. This is also position. So fill in the blanks with the later and the later. That is a LAT. Later and the latter. See later. Then the March will. The match will start dash than I expected. What is the match will start later? LATER. Among the two plans, I would prefer the former to the later. LATTER. And I reached school LATER later than usual. And we have postponed the meeting to a later date, LATER. Of the two solutions, the later LATTER appears convincing. Now fill in the blanks with the latest and the last. So this is last year. Then we met her at the exhibition. I love to follow the latest trends in fashion. I was the last person to leave the library yesterday. Then we are eager to know the latest development in Japan. The dash issue of the magazine is not available. The latest issue of the magazine is not available. And here older and oldest, they refer to both persons and objects. That is, my grandfather is the oldest member of the club. Here, that is personal, both the person and objects. You can apply both older and oldest building like that. Elder and eldest, they are used only for persons and especially for members of the same family. So elder and eldest only for people we are using. That is also of the same family members. So Abhi is my elder brother. So that is only persons. And Tanima is the eldest of all the sisters. That is also person. And the elder is not used with the than. So when you use elder, you won't be using than. Than will not come. Fill in the blanks with the elder or older. So Jane is our, what is that? Sister. The person's elder sister. And she is older than Jane because the elder won't come. They are told no elder when it is coming you can't use than. So than has come. That's a older. My brother is not a dash than me. My brother is not a, what is it? What will you write? Older than me. My brother is not a older than me. She is a dash to her brother. She is a elder to her brother. Now fill in the blanks with the eldest and the or oldest. And he is the dash son of Mr. Bajaj, the eldest son of Mr. Bajaj. The dash building in the locality was built 100 years ago. The oldest building in the locality was built 100 years ago. My dash brother is in the army. My eldest brother is in the army. He is the dash employee of the organization, oldest employee of the organization. And she is the eldest citizen in our residential block. Or what will you write? She is the oldest citizen in our residential block because citizen, oldest. Far, farther, further. So both are used to express that is a distance. Farther and further. Kolkata is farther from Mumbai than Delhi. Further also means additional. Without any further delay, the guide helped us reach out our hotel. Now farther and further. So how will you use now? Without any dash explanation, the committee dismissed him from his duty. Without any further FUR explanation, the committee dismissed him from his duty. I am too tired and cannot walk any further FUR. And additionally, we can't walk. So FUR. Here, no dash orders were sent from the headquarters to the troops. No further orders were FUR. No further orders were sent from the school, sorry, from the headquarters to the troops. The park is a dash from the school than the stadium. The park is farther, that is the distance, FAR, farther from the school than the stadium. He avoided dash remarks in order to avoid controversy. He avoided further remarks in order to avoid then what is it? Controversy. Now nearest, next, nearest. Here, the nearest means the shortest. That is a distance away. Shortest distance away. Next indicates a sequence of things coming one after the other. My house is next to the school. This is the nearest hospital from the house. Now fill in the blanks with the nearest or next. The dash market from this place is the local vegetable market. What is that? The nearest market from is this place is the local vegetable market. The flower shop is to my house, next to my house. I go to the fruit market to buy fruits. I go to the nearest fruit market to buy fruits because the has come and Gia's house is dashed to the post office, next to the post office. The dash train will arrive at 6 in the evening. So that is the next train will arrive at 6 in the evening. Now making comparisons, use of as, that is the comparison of equality is expressed by as. Now you should see, notice the change in verb in accordance with the subject are is changed into is. Here, Suman and Kanika are tall. Suman is as tall as Kanika. That's why they are told no, are is changed into is. Here, that is are. Here it is becoming is because singular. As is usually used in a positive sentence. So if you write possessor, what is the difference? As. If it is positive only, you use. Now rewrite the following sentence giving below using as. So tomatoes and onions are costly. So how will you write it? Tomatoes are as costly as onions. Ritu is Ritu and Rima are shorter. Ritu is as short as Rima. John and Jay are good in maths. So John is as good as Jay in maths. Tower 1 and Tower 2 are tall. So Tower 1 is as tall as Tower 2. Apples and grapes are sweet. So apples are as sweet as grapes. Okay. Now use of not as or not so as or than. So these things. Not as or not so as or than. See here, Raman is taller than Pia. Or we can change, bring that Pia first, because now Raman is in the beginning. Raman is taller than Pia. Now bring Pia and is not so tall as Raman. Understood? So how they change it? By changing the here Pia, Raman to Pia. Pia is not as tall as Raman. Again one more, Pia is not as tall as Raman. Here first one is not so tall as Raman, second one is not as tall as Raman. So notice the degree of comparison changes from comparative to positive in a negative sentences. In negative sentences, the what happens when you use not, it becomes a positive. Understood? So that's why this is a comparative degree. Raman is taller than Pia. So what happens when you change, then it becomes a, that is positive. In negative, when you are changing that Raman is taller than Pia, when you are changing into, that is, when you're changing that is from comparative, then to the positive, the negative sentences, the what happened here is, that is coming. That is a negative, it comes in the negative form. That is, we use not to change into positive degree. Not so as is usually used in negative sentences. But when you're writing negative, not, then we can also express the same meaning by less or least. We can, instead of using not so, we can use the less or least also. And Pia is a less taller than a Raman. So Pia is not so tall as Raman badalage. Pia is not as tall as Raman badalage. Pia is less taller than Raman. Iganu baribodu. And read sentences using not as, and then less. Raman is taller than Suresh. And Suresh is not as tall as Raman. That's Raman is the first there. Then it becomes Suresh. Then subject. Again, Suresh is not as tall as Raman. And Suresh is less taller than Raman. So platinum is costlier than gold. So only write platinum is not costlier than gold, is not as costly as platinum. Gold is not as costly as platinum. My uncle is taller than my father. My father is not as tall as my uncle. My father is not as tall as my uncle. Yeah, other way you can write my father is less taller than my uncle. Here also, gold is less costlier than platinum. Okay. The mango is sweeter than the pineapple. So what is that? The mango is sweeter than the pineapple. The pineapple is not as sweet as a mango. The same thing you can write. The pineapple is less sweeter than the mango. Iron is more useful than copper. So immediately how will you write? Copper is not as useful as iron, and the copper is less useful than iron. So like that you can write. Then cotton is not a, sorry, here silk is softer than a cotton. Here cotton is not as soft as a silk. Cotton is less softer than silk. That's it. And the use of a least. And how will you use the least? Comparison is also expressed with the word least in the superlative degree. That was the easiest exam I have ever written. So easiest is changing it to, that was the least difficult exam I have ever written. So the easy will become, that is opposite to difficult. So least when it comes now, you have to write the opposite. Note that the word easiest is replaced by the least difficult. Rewrite the sentences using least without changing the meaning. Wolfram is one of the rarest minerals. Wolfram is one of the least common, rare opposite common. So when you write least, you have to write the opposite word. The least common of all minerals. To me, the Indian gooseberry is the sourest of all fruits. So what is the opposite of sour? That is sweet. So to me, the Indian gooseberry is the least sweet of all fruits. Understood? And this is the most useless of all my suitcases. So useless opposite useful. So when you use least, you have to write useful. So this is the least useful of all my suitcases. And next one, he occupied the most comfortable position to watch the match. So comfortable opposite uncomfortable. So most least. So he occupied the least uncomfortable position to watch the match. Now changing the degrees of comparison. It is possible to change the degrees of comparison of an adjective in a sentence without changing its meaning. Superlative to comparative. Lead is the heaviest of all metals, that is superlative. Now how will you change into comparative? Lead is heavier than all other metals. Okay, now here Riverdale is the best school in our city. That is superlative because the best. Riverdale is better than any other school in our city. So what you will write? Any other. And because here it is all metals, you wrote all other. Then because here it is the best school in our city than any other. And change the following into change the following from superlative to comparative degree without changing the meaning. Mukesh Ambani is the richest businessman in India. So how will you change? Mukesh Ambani is richer than any other businessman in India. He is the tallest of all the students in his class. He is taller than all other students in his class. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is higher than any other mountain in the world. Dr. Jain is the most experienced of all the doctors in the hospital. So Dr. Jain is more experienced than all other doctors in the hospital. And comparative to positive, lead is heavier than any other metal. Other metals are not as heavy as a lead. Or you can write no other metal is as heavy as a lead. Value corner. When we compare two things and one is directly related to the other, we use the. The harder you work, the better you will do. Circle the comparative words in the above example. Then see here. Now change the following from comparative to positive without changing the meaning. Use not as or as. Shakespeare is greater than any other English playwright. So we'll change. No other English playwright is as great as Shakespeare. Okay. J is better than pizza in English. Pizza is not as good as J in English. The pen is mightier than the sword. The sword is not as mighty as the pen. Now, gold is more expensive than any other metal. No other metal is as expensive as gold. Now, rewrite the following sentences using the superlative degree of a comparison. Now, Bhumi is more hardworking than any other student in class. How will you change it? Into superlative. Bhumi is the most hardworking student in class. Joy is stronger than any other boy in his locality. Joy is the strongest boy in his locality. She is more intelligent than any other girl in school. She is the most intelligent girl in school. You should avoid than any other. Michael Jackson was more popular than any other singer in the world. Michael Jackson was the most popular singer in the world. Sachin is a better batsman than any of his team members. Sachin is the best batsman among his team members. So full stop. Yes, children. Now this is over.